This particular site is going to pay you guys in dollars. You just keep on doing surveys and doing tax, and you know how much dollars is now.
There it is! It's beautiful! Take your hat off, boy, that's a dollar bill!
So I even showed one of my friend, and she has even reached $2 faster than I have done, and she's not even very serious with this thing. She just does it when she gets time, when she's free, like that. And then, so this is the site. So this is the website. It's called timebuks. Now you can see that you can see my overall what I've made here. I've not even been giving this thing time. You can see here, look at zero current. Your current earnings for this week, 0. I haven't been giving it time. This is the bonuses that you get, like I think every day or so. So you can come down and you now see recent tax completion in your region. So you can see a lot of people are doing this. That's what I'm telling you. If I go to WhatsApp, you see that Grace she's even making more money than me. Look at how much she has made so far. That is $1.700. More you put in time to it, the more you gain from it. Now, how do you do tax in this platform? What you're going to do is to come here after registration. You come here and then let's look for, most of these tax are survey. Most of them are survey. So when you tap on it, it's supposed to take you to survey. But I would prefer it's advisable you do taxes. You come here to any one. So let's come here. This tax here. See? So let's tap on it. So you can say sign up, and let me just, some of these jobs you're going to do, they're going to require KYC. Some of them you have to sign, you have to gain referral link. So some of them are kind of hard. So you're just going to look for easy ones, something like maybe like certain websites, comment, and all of these things, and they keep on just doing those simple ones, because some of the tasks are very hectic to do. So let's look for kind of so let's look at this sign up, or this watch 1 minute video that's going to give you 3 cents. Yeah, it's going to give you 3 cents, this watch 1 minute video. So I just want to show you guys the simple part before we try to go to the hard ones and do it. So the simple ones are the ones that you can just do any time without any stress, because most of these other ones that will pay you high requires more complexity to do. So what we're going to do now is now view. Tap on this view here, tap on it, and then come down. So you're going to read the instruction. Make sure you read the instruction carefully. So what are we to do here? Look at it here. This is what the instruction says. So first of all, we are going to go to this link and then scroll this page below. You will see click button below. Consecutively click on all, click next button. See the button in the pic. So this is showing you what you're going to do. Let's tap on that. See, this is what you, so click next, then step, just 2 minutes, click the next step. So I just hope you understand. This is just showing you the reference of what you're going to do. So let's go back. Now what you're going to do is now tap on start campaign. Make sure you start campaign. Don't go and do it without starting campaign. So you start campaign. Yeah, this is start campaign. Tap on it. So now what you are going to do now, you have timer to do this tax. You have timer to do it. So let's go. Tap on the first link. Tap on it, and then we're going to scroll down because it says scroll down. So yeah, so this is where it says for that picture you saw. So you just click next. When you click next, you come down. Let's come down, then click. We'll just wait for, let's wait, and then click next step, or step 2 or so. Okay, so it doesn't load anything. Next, let's click on this next, and then let's cancel this. Let's come down. So step 3, let's wait to click on step 3, then we'll click on next. So I've virtually been clicking and it is up to 15. So what you're going to do is just screenshot, because some of these taxes I don't just know. And let's go back. We've tried our best. Let's go back. after send a screenshot of your browse history. Okay, so now what we are going to do is to go back, because these are part of the things that you have to learn. You have to know. If not, you come to this site, you just be doing some errors like that. So if you see here, you see this is proof instruction. You see your browse history. So now what we are going to do to get our browse history, and we're going to upload the image here where it says browse image, and then submit approval for approval down below. You can see it down here. Yeah, submit for approval, because we need to submit that we've actually done the work before it gets approved. So what you're going to do is to come here. If you want to get your browse history, yeah, see this place, this, you tap on it, you come to history. You can see history here. You tap on history, and then you can see that you can see all of these clicks here. So what we are going to do is just come down and screenshot that we have actually been doing this. So we'll now go back, cancel this, to come here to browse image, and then tap on this screenshot that we have done, tap on done, and then come down here and then submit for approval. The pending here is 3. Here you can see 3 pending here, 3 sent. So you come down and keep on looking for other jobs. Most of these high ones that pay you high, like some of all of these ones that this one is showing too, you have to do KYC, you have to register. Like see this, you have to register on Bainance, and it's very hard to do. So that's why I don't want to kind of bore you guys, but it's actually you could give it a try. So when you tap on back, this is where you're going to see the surveyors and everything. I always recommend you do tax. You tap on tax and do it, because if you most of the surveys are not approved for users, I don't know, in the third world countries. So you could also refer. You could also refer here. You could also refer and earn from it. Timebuks. Come down. This is your referral link. You can share with your friends to sign up on timebuks using your link, and you can show them this video on how they should sign up and get everything done. Now you need a requirement of $5 before you'll be able to cash out from timebuks. So probably you can make it up to $6 because of certain charges like that. So now if you want to cash out, what you're going to do is to come here to this 3/, and you're not going to come down to settings, down here to payment method here, payment method. Then you're now going to slide down and then come down to select payment method. Now the best I believe the best I will choose is Bitcoin. So when you're not going to tap on Bitcoin, and then you're not going to go and then check for your address. Now if you don't have a Bitcoin wallet address, don't worry. Now what you need is a Binance account. So the link to opening a Binance wallet is going to be on the description of this video. You click on it, you're now going to sign and then register on a Binance network, and then let me show you guys how you're going to get your Binance address. So here I'm on Binance. So what you're going to do, the moment you're registered on Binance, you're going to see this place here. Then you're now going to click on this deposit that is up here. So you tap on deposit, then you're now going to tap on deposit crypto, this one here. Tap on it, and then what you're going to do is to see history, or if you can't see the BTC, because it's called BTC, you just tap here and then search for BTC, and you're not going to see Bitcoin. So you tap on it. Now be very careful here. This is the Bitcoin that you're going to send, the address you're going to send, this particular one, not all of this other BTC ones. So you tap on it, and now when you have tapped on it, you see your address. So this is your address down here. Sorry, I blurred it because I don't want here. Yeah, for security reasons I blurred it. So you just copy your address with this provision that says copy. You copy it. Now after you've copied it, you now go back to your Timebuks and then come here and then paste your address here. And then what you're going to do is now to update payment method. Now please enter your current timebuks password in order to update your payment method. So you're going to put your current password in order for you to update it. And then I'm not a robot. You're now going to do all this, verify, and then update. Close. Good. So now you have updated your payment method. So anytime you want to withdraw your money, it's going to go to your Bainance. So if you want me to make more videos on how to do certain tasks, you could just talk to me. I'm going to make videos, comprehensive videos on this.